at SNS institution. Now we are seeing about case study on beam. Okay. First, what is the beam? Everybody, why we are using beam? Okay. First, beam is a supporting devices. Okay. Then, what is the types of beams?
Simple support beam,
Simple supported beams,
fixed beam,
fixed beam.
cantilever beams,
Okay. Okay, simply supported beam,
fixed beam,
fixed beam, cantilever beam,
continuous beam,
continuous beam, overhanging beam. Yes. Okay, good. Overhanging beam. Okay, these 5 types of beams. Then here used for 3 types of load is acting on these type of beams. What are the 3 types? Service, yes, kind of dead loads. Dead, yes. Dead load, live load, and
wind load.
wind load. Okay, good. Dead load.
Dead load is the weight of self-weight,
Okay.
the foundation and the superstructure.
Okay.
It includes the weight of our walls, floors, roofs, etc.
Okay. Wait. Okay. These are roofs. These weights are roof, floor, and beam columns. Okay. Columns. Okay. These are act as the dead load. This is a permanent load. Okay. There is no change anything. Okay. Just example. See that building. Okay. Roof and beam. Also, anybody? Yes, here. Okay. These are dead loads. Okay. Then second one, live load. Yes. What is the live loads?
Light loads are the movable and superimposed loads on the floor.
Okay.
Light loads include all the loads that are not permanent. Light loads are not constant loads but varying loads. These include the weight of persons on the floor, weight of materials such as furniture, etc., stored temporarily on the floor, etc.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Second one, live load. This is example for ours because we are very here standing in around 10 people. Then after first hour, here around 30 or 40 members are around here. So these are live loads. It is a difference between chair, furniture and others. This is a temporary loads. Live loads are temporary loads because human beings and other furniture, tables also live loads. Okay, then one wind loads. Okay.
The effect of wind should be considered in case of tall buildings. The exposed sides and the roofs of tall buildings are subjected to wind pressure. The design wind pressure at a place depends on the wind velocity, height of the building, etc. The effect of wind pressure is to reduce the pressure on the foundation in the wind bar side and to increase the pressure in the ice bar side.
Okay. These are depends on the height and foundations. Okay. What are the type of foundations?
Foundation three types.
Yes.
Shallow foundation.
Yes, shallow foundation.
Missile foundation.
Shallow,
Foundation, deep foundation.
deep foundation and missile foundation. Okay. Types of foundations. Shallow, deep and missile foundation. Then
Shallow foundation are three types. Two types. Wet foundation.
oh, okay, nice. Okay. What are the requirement of foundations?
The requirement of foundations are base for the structure, transmitting the load to the soil, uniform distribution of load on layer area, minimalization of differential sediment stability of the building, trim level base, lateral stability of the structure, safety against sliding and overturning, safety against causing and undermining.
Yes, good. Okay, so okay, these are the depends on the beams and loads and the types of beams. Also consider the depends on weight on the all beams. Okay, okay, thank you.